It's a little bit windy today, of course, because I'm recording, it has to be windy. Oh. And hello and welcome to another video review and unboxing. So on today's video we're gonna be doing some unboxing for our truck. What happened about a week ago, one company contacted me and asked me if I wanna do a video review on their product. So I said sure, okay. Since I got my truck, I had installed my LED headlights in there and I was pretty happy with them. I'm gonna post a link over here and a couple of pictures for comparison how the light looked with my stock light bulbs and when I upgraded it. This is a company that contacted me. It's called AUXITO and they specialize in all kind of light bulbs for the cars. I actually seen these lights before and they seems to be pretty good. So they send me pretty much top of the line lights that I can fit in my truck. I believe they're 16,000 looms, whereas the ones I have right now installed, they are 12,000 looms, and they're pretty bright, I feel like. But as you can see, this is a brand new package, it's still sealed. I haven't opened it yet, so I'm gonna open it up. We're gonna look what's inside, and then when it's gonna get dark, I'm gonna turn the headlights with the lights I have right now, and then I'm gonna switch to these headlights and we're gonna see the comparison, the difference, how they look. Of course, keep in mind that I have a stock headlights housing, so they're not really designed for LED lights, but it is what it is. So as you can see, the headlights, they come in this little box, and once again we have a black and yellow theme going on. I guess it's very popular now, but it looks pretty good. So anyways, let's open it up. As I was saying, it's a brand new light still in a package. I haven't seen what's inside, so let's open it up. And alright, we have a couple of zip ties over here. We have a product manual, and here are the lights itself. They are very small design. They have I believe they're very slim design headlight. They have a little fan in the back, so that should help with the cooling it down. And as you can see, they're very thin. And this is our standard plug for our Xterra, and I guess it's all the brains are in here, and it feels pretty heavy actually. It doesn't feel too cheap. I'm gonna be very interested to put it in and see how it looks. For now I'm just gonna put it back in here, and then I'm gonna wait until dark and we're gonna test this light. First we're gonna power up our existing lights and then we're gonna use these lights. Now I know I said I'm gonna compare these lights to my LED lights that I have installed currently, but I decided to change things up. I got a set of regular halogen bulbs that most of the trucks come with those lights, and so for the most part people are gonna have those lights. So I feel that's gonna be a better comparison to see how much of improvements these lights gonna be over the regular halogen bulbs, so we can see the difference. So I'm gonna do a little drive with those lights and then I'm gonna switch to these lights so we can see the difference between LED and the halogen light bulbs. And alright guys, so now we are driving with our stock bulbs, the regular halogen bulbs, and this is the kind of light we get. This is a low beam, and as you can see, or you can barely see, that we cannot see anything. The light output is pretty bad. So now let's switch to the high beam. It's kind of better, but you know.
A few moments later.
And alright guys, and now we have our brand new LED headlights on. And as you can see, the difference is pretty clear. This is much brighter, and this is now the low beam, but you can see that it illuminates the road much better. And if I switch to the high beam, well, now it's a reflection from the signs, but look at the difference. Look, you can see the road all the way now. Much better. And alright everyone, so that was just a small unboxing and review of these LED lights by AUXITO. As you saw in that video, the comparison between the stock lights and LED lights, it's pretty clear. The LED lights are way brighter. So if you're in the market for a new LED lights and you're wondering is it gonna be worth upgrading it or not, sure enough, it will worth it. Even if you have a headlights housing that was not designed for LED lights, it still will give you a good light output. Like you saw in my videos, the road is lit up way better than with the stock LED lights. So on this note, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys might find it helpful. And like I said, if you're in the market for LED lights, this is a pretty good option. As you saw, it's a pretty good upgrade and improvement. And it's pretty easy. You just take out the light bulb from the housing and you put a new LED light in there. And you have a way better light output. So on this note, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you might find it helpful. And until next time, everybody, bye.